Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to connect your SJCAM SJ8 PRO to a smartphone. To do it, you'll need to have SJCAM Zone app on your smartphone, and it works for both Android as well as iOS. Just in your App Store or Google Play Store, find SJCAM Zone, install it, then open it. Now, before we connect, there will be question for some permissions. Permit to all of them, only the notifications are like the optional ones, but things like location and everything, it's gonna be important. Then go to your Wi-Fi settings on your phone. Now on the camera, make sure that Wi-Fi of the camera is turned on. To do it, slide down from the top of the screen, then find Wi-Fi button, make sure it's red or orange, so you know it's on. Now it's off, I've turned it off, and now I'm gonna turn it on again. Also, if you go to settings, in bottom right corner, you'll find Wi-Fi frequency, and you can set it to 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz. And 2.4 GHz is more compatible, so if the 5 GHz doesn't work for you, you may try 2.4 GHz, but 5 GHz is faster. So yeah. Now I have my SJ8 PRO on the list, because if you see, if I go to the settings, if I go to Wi-Fi, it shows me the SSID and the password. So I need to click on this network, then enter the password, which in my case is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's join it. And now you can see it is connected. Let's go to SJCAM Zone, manual connection, and now it's getting connected. And now you can see that I have the camera preview, I believe. Let's see if it loads correctly. I think I would actually prefer the 5 GHz network. It's gonna be a little faster. So I'm just gonna try switching to the 5 GHz. Okay, I have switched to 5 GHz. Let's do manual connection. It is connecting, and yeah, you can see it works now and works better than 2.4 GHz. It's pretty normal. I can view the current view from the camera. I can start recording. You can see it has started recording. I can stop recording. I can view my photos and recordings. If I go here, then I can change the mode, but I can also view photos and recordings. I don't have any photos, but in videos I have a few, and you can see they are all being displayed right now. So that's basically how you do it, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.